Okay, we are going to actually start working on this next back testing. I believe this is a clear trend of upwards, but I believe it's going to have some kind of pullback. And I am currently waiting, but like I can see like the volume is insanely high. You can see like here the AGR is just like the volatility is just completely off the charts, you know. So what I'm going to take a look at it is I'm just gonna see if it going is I'm just gonna wait this candle and I'm just gonna double check my take profit and stop loss because it's the very volatile, probably like add some points to the profit and loss limit, right? And I'll just save it, and I'm just gonna wait the right moment when it's going to reverse back, and that's what I'm going to basically enter my position, right? So far I see like it's got like a sell position. I could be wrong that it's going to be a upwards trend, and it seems like I am a little bit wrong, and it's called like more going backwards to the red, and I don't think I should enter the sell position. Or should I? It's really hard. I have to make a 50-50 bet. It's either sell or pull, right? And okay, let's see what this candle does. If it's still red, then I think it's actually going to reverse back to red. So what I'm trying to look for is the resistance level on this part and see if he can break through, right, using the first two candles. And if he can do, then I think that's it. And I think that's where I should enter my position.
Order filled.
Okay, why? I'm just gonna close my performance center and see the take profit and loss. Okay, I'm gonna.
Order filled.
Hey, nice. My testing is correct. Freaking hell, but it's really weird. I wanna see the trading performance center. Sorry, sorry for streaming, but yeah, I'm just glad that the testing the hypothesis went correct, right? And I need to actually check the trading performance. I'll just put it here, right? Hey, 16 pounds on a micro contract. This is good thing. That's a good thing. This is a good thing. Okay, so what I learned, because it has a really upward trend, right? And I saw the position here that it was like really volatile and clearly going to the upwards. And of course, when I like earn a small profit, like the scalping, not necessarily like a long-term thingy. So I basically enter the buy position here, right? Because I thought, you know, it is actually going to actually go back to the resistance, to the support level. But now when I look back, that was a little bit risky because now it's also like slowly reversing back, right? So it was like a kind of like a little bit of a luck mixed in it. And I have to be honest, there was a quite a little bit of luck, because you can see he was pulling back again, right? And I could have easily lost quite a bit of money on this bet. So you see, it's going back. Actually, I'm just really curious, like how is it possible? Because I thought like because this is such a big trend, this is such a big movement. I thought like it would be like uh, a buy position, a bullish position. But now like it's even freaking bearish. Jesus Christ. And it's going downwards even more. How many points is this? Yeah, if I went here to here, then it's about. Oh god dang it, it's more like 25 points. Jesus Christ, I could have made a bank of it. But I cannot think like that. Uh, huh. What is it? Let me just review the map. Let me just actually put it one more thing.
Order filled.
Oh shit! Is he actually not? Is he actually going back to their good resistance level? Nah, I don't think so.
Order filled.
I don't want to risk it. I feel like I have made my trades. Let's just actually. I just want to actually look at the market and see like what kind of movement it was. It was really weird in terms of the movement. It was like, oh, Jesus Christ! How is it freaking going this? That's so fucked up. That is so fucked up. This is like so fucking volatile. And now it's going back again. Jesus Christ, this is like a freaking match. It went really up, down, and then really up. It's like instant. I think like this. Oh, that's why. Because it's the peak volatility. So you can easily go back up. Jesus Christ. And I want to see like the performance center, because I definitely made a 50-50. 50% trade and 50%, yeah. So, but like in terms of the profit, I still made a profit in terms of the 12 pound. But this one, it was so unpredictable in terms of what it can do. No, 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 no. I must not enter the position. I'll just use this opportunity to basically observe it. I cannot do anything about it. Cannot do anything. I've already made a very little position, made a little bit of profit here. I got a little bit of knowledge, but then I also learned quite a lot on here, because like the ATR was insane on this part, and just went down instantly, because you see like the prices. There's so much volume here. Yeah, but like how much? 50 points. 50 points. That would be about maybe 20, 30, 30 bucks, I guess. 30 bucks. No, 34? 40. I think 30 to 40 bucks, I guess this could be. Yeah, which is quite. I mean, like for a micro contract, it is quite a bit of money, and yeah, you can lose this much money in an instant, but also you can gain this money on an instant. But you need to know like which part you are in, because there is no way after this trend. Usually I would think of it. It's going to be a bullish trend because I think like I think because it has such a momentum. So of course I might not have actually put more analysis to this, which is my bad. But yeah, I still think like this is a very interesting. I wanna. I don't wanna make it. I wanna see like the exact points rather than. Yeah, but from here this is like about like 16 points. Gotcha. And I feel, is he going to actually reverse to the support? Yeah, I can see he could potentially reverse back to the support. I must have a self-control about myself, so I could have lost like 50-50 trade in this part. But you guys saw like there was a support around here which gave me a little bit of a fear, right? Again, that was my bad because I thought I could lose the money I have gained. So that is one of the teachings. You must not fear to lose what you have earned through the trading. You must actually invest it. You must think it's an investment, right? Because that is the thing. Like if I leave that trade alone and just let it take profit and stop loss work its way, work on its own, that would have gained the money. And this thing has been. I have talked about this already, like previously, but I still couldn't couldn't change myself to basically avoid this. It's a very big psychological effect that basically makes you think, I'm gonna lose like the amount of money. But no, I shouldn't think about it. And especially when it's like having a big ass, very volatile, because you can earn a big money, and if you wanna have a 50-50, might as well to risk that thing, right? Yeah, but now it's like more control. I can see like the trading. I can see like it's going, as I said before, it's probably like going to have more support levels from here on. But in terms of the volatility, I just didn't expect like the volatility about around here was just going to off the charts. It's quite random, to be honest, because you see like here, where I was entering the trade around here, it wasn't that bad, but like here, the volatility just spooked like a monster. And you clearly saw my reaction. I was like, what the hell is going on? Like when the
the candlestick just dropped all the way down. I was like, what? And then all the way up, and I was like, what? How is it even freaking possible? But like that's how the market works, and that's how the things could have happened. Um, yeah, and especially when there is a lot of like ask prices. I'm actually gonna look for another indicator which is called like volume. Price volume trend. No, I don't think volume is going to be a good indicator. I don't think so. What about volume? Oh, volume. I guess volume is actually kind of interesting because I believe volume is going to be corresponding to the speed of the ask prices and the bid prices. So you will see a lot more drops and things. But I feel like on this time, no one can predict like it was going to be this big of a volume, right? Because it didn't have any kind of sign, if I humbly say. Yeah. But overall, today's trade, nothing big. I guess around £12, I guess. And yeah, could have done better, should have, basically. I need to actually think about like the second trade because there's a lot of things to unpack here. One of the things is the psychological effect that it has on me. What kind of effect it has on me. So what did I think about it, and and should I actually leave it to the stop loss and the take profit? And I believe the answer is yes. I think I should go. I think I should not overcomplicate it. Or at some point, you should not. Sometimes you leave it to stop loss. Sometimes you don't leave it to stop loss. No, it is a bet. It is just like a bet scenario. You got like 50-50 chance, and you just take it or just leave, take it or leave it. So if you don't want to take the risk in terms of the bet, then you just need to leave the trade because you are not gonna gain any profit if you see this loss and then you just freaking panic and then you exit the position and you actually basically have a loss position, right? Whereas if you actually stick to the bet in terms of the take profit and stop loss, then it's 50-50%. You lost what you actually expected to lose, right? Obviously, when you exit, you lose some how do you say? You lose less. How do you say when you exit by your own self? But the thing is, it has like a greater psychological effect, make you scared, make anything. Whereas if you actually leave it to the stop loss and those things, I believe that at least you're sticking to your principle, to your strategy, and to the bet, sticking to the bet and losing exactly what you expected. And I think like that should have less psychological effect. But the thing is, what I missed about myself, like what I lack of, is like the fear of losing, the psychological effect of fear of losing, and I couldn't handle myself. I couldn't control myself in this scenario, and that's the thing that I need to basically change by repetition, and trading, and basically even sometimes even meditating would I believe would even help for this case. So yeah, I'll leave it. I think like that'll be for this session.